Merry Christmas everyone, this is Chef Sabi and I'm here at this beautiful Country Inn & Sweets by Radisson, Chandigarh. We are doing this most amazing, guess what, the turkey night, which has been presented by US Poultry and Soybean Board, of course, because it's Christmas. What can we think of? But guess what? Turkey in India is not just about Christmas, so we have curated this most amazing turkey dinner, which has got a chili turkey, our Asian typical Tangra cuisine. We've done a turkey 65, which is typically South Indian, and of course your braised turkey with your cranberry jus and all of that. So looking forward, welcoming a whole lot of people from the trade, people from the service industry, chefs, and of course the managers who are the backbone, which is our purchase managers of all the hotels in and around Chandigarh, Mohali and Zirakpur area. This is Chef Sabi signing off. Look forward to seeing all of you and wishing everybody a very Merry Christmas. Cheers. I'm the culinary director of Fabrica by Sabi. I'm also the president of the Young Chefs Association of India. I have multiple restaurants across Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune and Gurgaon. Under this particular association of I2I, which is hosting the poultry event today, we have multiple other events. So that scholarship that we're discussing is for the next event. But guess what? With turkey and poultry, which is US Poultry, we do a culinary challenge every year to encourage young chefs from India, across India. So youngsters from schools and colleges, up till now we've had 3 sessions of the poultry challenge. We've had close to 2,500-3,000 recipes coming to us, and it's been a runaway success in last 3 years, and so is with all these other exotic poultries. But tonight we are doing an absolutely curated, typically Indian style Christmas. So we have a chili turkey, we have a turkey 65, and the usual cranberry braised turkey. So I think the Indian spices are really taking the turkey to another level. We're also seeing how turkey could be incorporated in it. We have grilled. We have some that is pan fried. I am doing a turkey satay, which is typically an Asian style product, which is again on the grill. Now we don't have an option of an open barbecue because it's an air conditioned hotel space, but yes, it's largely grilled or on the barbecue. Turkey was eaten in India. If you go back into the Nawabi cuisine, there was always this dish called parinde ve parinda, which was basically a turkey roast stuffed with different other poultry birds, but somehow we've lost the tradition. We're just trying to introduce it back into the Indian diet. It is the finest and the leanest protein. India, as we know, always have a protein shortage. Turkey is the best and the leanest protein, especially the turkey breast. It is basically it's guilt free. If you have a problem eating red meat like mutton or any other red meat like pork and chops and ribs, then definitely try turkey because it will give you the nutrition of the protein without giving you the problem. So this is the whole turkey. Of course, for today's event, we've only cooked the top part of the turkey breast, and the turkey leg we haven't cooked today because it takes a little time to cook, but we have done like a lal mas out of the turkey leg. We have done a jungli mas out of the turkey leg. We've done a 65. We have done a ghee roast, which is a southern style. So with the turkey leg, you can again do various dishes that you can do with mutton, including a Rogan Josh. Can you believe it? Now what happens is mutton, let's say, has a problem with acidity, with blood pressure, blood sugar, because it's red meat. I suggest please switch to turkey. The same mutton dishes and taste you can get out of turkey. I will do one quick atta turkey for you. Chef, will you pass me the 2 turkey? तो आपके लिए जो बनाऊंगा first is a very simple dish. Can you move this out? So I have got atta in my hand, dough. Okay, sir. So I have atta in my hand. I'm going to quickly roll it down. And then I'm going to make something that you can try from here as well. I'm going to cook something also for you. This is purely for a demo purpose, and you can see it, right? Very good. सर देखिए आटा तो आपका शेफ़ का होटल से मैंने लिया था, हाँ, तो इसमें चंडीगढ़ की खुशबू है, हाँ, गेहूँ आपका लोकल पंजाब की गेहूँ है. सो शेफ़ चावला, कैन आई हैव शेफ़ चावला ऑन द माइक प्लीज? कैन आई हैव अ कैन आई हैव अ माइक ऑन शेफ़्स हैंड? एक माइक दीजिए ना. आई विल जस्ट पास अ माइक टू यू. आई विल कॉल यू इन अ बिट. शेफ हमें थोड़ा बताइए ना अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दिस आटा टर्की. यू हैव डन सो मच. जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ आल्सो because you've done so much work on Punjab and Punjabi cuisine.
Yeah, hi. Good evening. This is Chef Vikas Chawla. And this atta chicken is from four.
Chef, you have to introduce yourself and tell first about you, then you come to atta. No, atta is not important.
Okay, myself Chef Vikas Chawla. I am consultant for hospitality industry and I consult majorly all the sweets brand in India and highway joints and definitely all international cuisines including European. And Chef Savi is again the master in European cuisine. So Chef Savi, this was all about me.
शेफ हाईवे ब्रांड्स आपने बताया नहीं. अभी से बता दीजिए कौन से ब्रांड्स हैं. सब हम रुकेंगे हाईवे में आपके पास फिर अगले बार जब आएंगे.
So you start from Sukhdev Dhaba, Amrik Sukhdev.
There you go.
All Mannat Group.
Okay.
And then all Haveli Group. So these all highway joints are with me and they are my client and I am concerned.
Amazing chef. Thank you so much.
All the major sweets brand in India.
Beautiful. बताइए. So tell us little bit about the atta turkish atta chicken chef.
Chef, atta chicken is from the Jalandhar, near about Jalandhar belt. It's around 100 kilometers from Jalandhar.
Fantastic.
But traditionally they wrap this chicken in a
Paper roll.
fabric. एक कपड़े में उसको marinate करके then they bind it and then cover it with
atta.
They cook it in the tandoor.
तो
500 degrees you can understand.
तो एक शेफ हेमंत ओबरा एक्चुअली ब्रॉट इट इनटू द सीन एंड तब से बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ है. तो
they fill it with the almonds.
करेक्ट. सो आई एम डूइंग अ वेरी क्विक वर्जन ऑफ इट. आपको जल्दी दिखाऊंगा क्या हो सकता है इसका. बहुत सिंपली क्विक वर्जन ऑफ इट. सो आई हैव मेड द आटा. I'm going to just brush it with a bit of water so it sticks and then बहुत simple technique. इसको oven में डालेंगे और शेफ पकाएंगे. आप तंदूर में भी पका सकते हैं. You're absolutely right. Chef, is there a possibility of getting some of this in your highway places now? But you're vegetarian, right? Most of your highway places?
All are vegetarian. All that.
Nitin, how do we do this now? How can we make it non-vegetarian at the highway?
So see, lot of cafes and restaurants are coming up on this highway. They will cover the big chunk of business now in coming 2 years. So we can introduce these kind of dishes over here.
ठीक है. So we have a hope कि next 2 years we'll get some meat when we are. खाली McDonald's है और KFC है, right, on the highway right now?
Only McDonald's, KFC, Burger King. these three.
Burger King is also there.
Yeah.
सर देखिए बहुत सिंपल है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी इट. कैन यू सी इट? या एवरीबॉडी कैन सी इट, राइट? सो आई एम जस्ट स्टिकिंग इट टुगेदर. इसमें एक थोड़ा मैं एक आई विल पुट सम डिज़ाइन एंड देन आई विल सेंड इट आउट फॉर रोस्टिंग. तो क्या होगा? इट विल जस्ट गिव मी सम एयर पॉकेट्स फॉर द. Achha, by the way, can anybody guess? Chef, can you guess which part of the meat I am using here? Which part of the turkey I am using for this recipe?
Must be breast.
It is a part of the breast. Can you believe it? This is a turkey supreme. It is bigger than a chicken breast. This is so a chicken breast is about 150-200 grams standard. So this is as my same size, maybe slightly bigger. So
supreme is around 30 grams, 40 grams.
Correct. So this is the turkey supreme. Chef, do you have a baking tray? Chef Tanya?
I think शायद यहाँ पे किसी को ना पता हो. The supreme में जब breast होती है, breast के अंदर एक बहुत soft सा part होता है, but very smaller size and very thin. तो ये turkey का जो breast का supreme दिखा रहे हैं, this is bigger than the chicken breast.
Correct. So this is it. We're going to. अभी देखिए ठंड है, बटर भी फ्रीज हो रहा है. तो otherwise we'll basically brush it with a bit of butter and then we're going to put it for baking. Baking तो अभी we'll send it off to the bakery oven. हाँ. आपको बेक करके बताएंगे आटा टर्की, एंड देन आई विल गेट शेफ चार्लो टू टेस्ट इट फॉर अस. ही इज द जज टुनाइट कि ये सूटेबल है या नहीं है, हो सकता है. शेफ, देयर आर फ्यू अदर शेफ्स इन द रूम, सो यू कैन पास इट ऑन इफ एनीबडी हैज एनी थॉट्स, क्वेश्चंस, वी कैन चैट. So I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah. So it's a very simple, quick fix. I've done it. Maybe थोड़ा खुल रहा है क्या इधर? Okay. So will you quickly go put it for baking and come back? Then we'll do the next one. Okay. So this was one demo. I'm going to bake it and show it to you. The second one is a very quick, simple recipe that chef, will you bring the other? बाकी जो आपका है खाए. See, if you notice this, I have created these little sticks, which is like the satay that I showed you on the picture. And this I'm going to make some. Can everybody see it? Yeah. So this is a turkey breast again. We have cut small cubes out of it. We've barely marinated them for less than half an hour. You will see how juicy they are. And I'm going to quickly cook this. Chef, do you know how this one starts? This is how it starts. Very good. I'll also quickly tell you what, so I told you about the Mathania Mirchi, which is from Rajasthan. I'm also using a beautiful olive oil that is made in India, which is, we're constantly working with products that complements each other. So I've got a very healthy turkey breast. We've also got a very healthy oil. Want to make sure that, you know, you're also cooking it in the right way. So this particular olive oil is from Rajasthan. Maybe you can see it, can you see it? It's called the Raj olive oil. The first India made olive oil, so I'm using it. In fact, now we're doing a lot of our international dishes with this olive oil, and I've given some of this tasting to some international chefs, some Michelin chefs, and everybody seems to like it a lot. Sir, ये कैमरा आपके इसमें आ सकता है पैन में? आपका उसमें है? So a bit of olive oil. It will cook literally. Chef, I'm going to pass on the first batch to you for you to tell me if it is cooked and if you can serve it or not, okay? And then I have made about 50-60 pieces, so it's enough for everybody to taste. दूसरा वाला आटा का डब कहाँ चला गया? So this is literally, I don't know, I hope you're not getting bored with it, but basically I'm trying to show you how quickly it cooks. So एक side मैंने already पक चुका है. देखिए, it's turning white. Will you bring me some plates? And some the garnishing sauce as well. So as quickly as this you can cook it. I'm going to send some, give me some plates. Yeah, and some bit of the, pass me some sauce from there. Fantastic. Chef, I'm passing on few pieces to you and on the table, and then I'll make for everybody else. I would like Chef Charlo's approval on it before we go ahead, okay, Chef? And then maybe you'll convince the people on the highway that we can also give some non-vegetarian items. What do you think, Chef? Yeah? Sorry? Literally like that, or maybe faster. Can you go pass it out to Chef? I'm going to cook a batch now for everybody to try so that we can make everybody try. The atta turkey I have got. Chef, you will come and cook it for me now? Huh? Okay.
Hi, this is Purnima Rawat and I'm working with the USA Poultry and Egg Export Council, which we call as USEPIC, and I take care of the marketing of poultry products in Indian market. USA Poultry is a non-profit organization which works for promoting the trade of USA Poultry all across the world. So in India, we are doing the trade activities since 2018 and we continuously keep on organizing such trade meets where we invite people from the trade, from the hospitality sector like purchase managers, chefs, retailers, wholesalers and importers, and tell them about the product, about the what all products US Poultry have to offer. So this is, I think this year it's 5th or 6th trade meet here in the city of Chandigarh, and we are happy to be here, and people from hotels and some restaurants are coming and some purchase managers are also coming. So looking forward to this evening.
Are you looking for some trade sector out here in Chandigarh or around Tri-City basically?
Yes, the entire trade, whether it's a HoReCa sector or the purchase managers or the chefs, retailers, wholesalers, restaurant owners, whosoever is related to the hospitality sector.
So it is all about turkey. So basically how many types or maybe variants you have for turkey? I don't know much about it. Our viewers maybe
So as of now we do have US whole turkey available, and then we do have turkey breast, turkey legs, breast with bone, without bone, and then the product has been very widely accepted by the industry. And the good part is that in this festival season like Thanksgiving and Christmas, we are actually getting queries continuously about US turkey. So this is a good response from the industry.
frozen food?
Yes, it's completely frozen, and normally the turkey is accepted as a frozen product only by the sector.
It's not available in India?
It is available in India. Domestically it is not available. Yes.
Thank you.